Hey guys, Jake Nicolle here. We're at our latest listing. We're at 4514 Ontario Street, commercial unit C101. We're right here on Ontario Street. As you can tell, tons of through traffic passing by. Here's what we have. We have a commercial unit with incredibly tall ceilings, 1,560 square feet of space for you to do whatever you want. This is an amazing spot to have as an office. You could be doing a dentist practice here. You could have any kind of medical practice. You've got great parking in the back. You have shared parking, a ton of spots. Why don't you come see this one in person? And here's what you'll notice as I walk through this unit is you can see the scale of the unit. You can see the size with me in it. You can tell that ceiling height wise, you've got a lot of room to work with. And this is a really beautiful space for you to be right here in the heart of Beamsville wine country. We've got tons of through traffic. Just think of the exposure you're gonna get here, being on this busy street directly off the QEW for you to come and check this out and make this place the home of your future office. So looking forward to having you guys here. Feel free to pick up the phone, 289-216-6852. I can't wait to walk you guys through it. Have a great day. Cheers.